Torrential slide is a cryptographic money that has been causing disturbances in the computerized cash world. Its interesting calculation and quick exchange speed have made it perhaps of the most famous computerized money out there. Many individuals are thinking about what's on the horizon for torrential slide and whether its cost will keep on rising. In this video, we will investigate what torrential slide is, what crypto specialists consider it, and, obviously, show our Avax coin cost forecast. Kindly recollect that our cost expectations don't comprise venture exhortation. Consistently do your own exploration prior to trading any cryptographic forms of money. Our constant Avax to USD cost update shows the ongoing torrential slide cost is $15.31 USD. Our latest torrential slide cost estimate shows that its worth will increment by 6.4% and reach $16.29 by May 13, 2023. Our specialized pointers signal about the negative bullish 0% market feeling on torrential slide, while the trepidation and insatiability record is showing a score of 52. Over the most recent 30 days, torrential slide has had 15 30th green days and 7.68% cost instability. Torrential slide specialized outline. As indicated by the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of torrential slide is $15.05, and Avax is as of now position No. 16 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of torrential slide is $4,990,278,786.04, with a market cap of $331,495,563 Avax. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 51 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Avax has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 11.22%. Torrential slide has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Avax has expanded by 18.44%, adding a giant typical measure of $2.78 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming it keeps on developing. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of torrential slide costs expected in 2023, the base expense of torrential slide will be $13.01. The most extreme level that the Avax cost can reach is $17.02. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $21.02. Likely return on initial capital investment, 11.5% Avax value figure for May 2023 in view of the value variances of torrential slide toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Avax pace of $16 in May 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $14.11 and at $17.89. Separately, possible return for money invested, 17.2% June 2023. Torrential slide value figure. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the Avax cost in June 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $13.01, while the most extreme could reach $18.02 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of torrential slide may be around $15.51. Likely return on initial capital investment, 18% Avax value conjecture for July 2023. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value changes of torrential slide in 2023 and in earlier years. So the normal Avax rate they anticipate may be around $18.52 in July 2023. It can drop to $16.01 as a base. The greatest worth may be $21.02. Expected return on initial capital investment, 37.7% August 2023. Torrential slide value conjecture around mid-year 2023. The Avax cost will be exchanged at $18.02 by and large. August 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the torrential slide worth to $21.02. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $15.01 in August 2023. Possible return on initial capital investment, 37.7% Avax value conjecture for September 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected torrential slide costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2023, $17.52. The most reduced and top Avax rates may be $16.01 and $19.02. Likely return for capital invested, 24.6% October 2023. Torrential slide value conjecture. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Avax cost will be around $17.52. In October 2023, the torrential slide cost might drop to at least $16.01. The normal pinnacle worth may be $19.02 in October 2023. Likely return for capital invested. 24.6% AVAX value figure for November 2023 having examined torrential slide cost. Cryptographic money specialists expect that the AVAX rate could arrive at a limit of $20.02 in November 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $15.01. For November 2023, the anticipated normal of torrential slide is almost $17.52. Likely return for capital invested. 31.1% December 2023, torrential slide value estimate around mid-2023. The torrential slide cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $16.51. Crypto experts expect that in December 2023, the AVAX cost could change somewhere in the range of $14.01 and $19.02. Possible return for money invested. 24.6% torrential slide value expectation 2024 after the examination of the costs of torrential slide in earlier years. It is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of torrential slide will be around $27.96. The most extreme expected AVAX cost might be around $33.03. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $28.95 in 2024. Torrential slide value expectation 2025 in light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of torrential slide. In 2025, AVAX is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $42.71 and $49.95. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $44.16. Torrential slide value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of torrential slide and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base AVAX cost could drop to $65.58, while its most extreme can reach $75.03. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $67.35. Torrential slide value expectation 2027 in light of the examination of the expenses of torrential slide by crypto specialist. The accompanying greatest and least AVAX costs are normal in 2027. $116.08 and $100.37. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $103.73. Torrential slide value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of torrential slide. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical AVAX cost will be around $147.83. It could drop to at least $143.68. However, it actually could reach $176.63 all through 2028. Torrential slide value expectation 2029 consistently. Digital money specialists plan estimates at the cost of torrential slide. It is assessed that a VAX will be